All right, this is a quick little tutorial to show you how to get the pixel code from your Facebook ad account and email it to your website developer so they can install the code on your website. So basically you're here on your Facebook desktop on the computer and you click on the little arrow here and you scroll down to create ads or manage ads. If you've done ads in the past or you've boosted posts, it'll be manage ads. So you click on there. Now mine's going to look slightly different than everyone's because I have several ad accounts, but bear with me, the steps will be very similar. You click on the little hamburger here, see the 3 lines, looks like a hamburger. You click on that. You click on all tools and you then click on pixels. Let's see that there, pixels, which then brings you to this similar looking page. So I've already got a pixel almost set up, but if you don't, you wouldn't have this box, but you'll have a big image in the middle here saying set up your pixel. So, or if you don't have that, on the right here is add a data source Facebook pixel. So see, you just click on that. So now I'm going to set up the pixel. And it's saying, are you going to manually install the code yourself? Are you going to integrate it with some of these programs? Or are you just going to email it to your developer? So we're just going to email it to our developer. So we click email instructions to developer. We add their email, and it's basically saying, I'm instructing you to install the Facebook pixel on my website, and here's the ID, here's the code. Only the developer needs to know what that means because I can't tell you what it means, but it works. If you want to install standard events. So for example, if you had an online store and you wanted to track all the people who went to add to cart, you would install a little bit of extra code on that specific page, and then a different little bit of code on the checkout page. So that way the number of visitors that came to your website, and then the number of visitors that came to your add to cart, and then the number of visitors at the end of who made a purchase, you can see how many people drop off at those various stages. If you do anything, you can leave out this event code and just install this base code on the website, and that will just track your website visitors. So if you do nothing but just the standard stuff, just do step 2 and ignore step 3. You can always install step 3 at a later date. That doesn't matter. The important part is that you track your website visitors. And then you go back to check its status, and then you just click send. So if you want to just not know anything, simple step, web developer's email, and then by clicking send, all of that I just explained to you becomes their problem, which is okay by me. So then we just click send. Then the developer goes and does his thing, and then hopefully when you come back, when it's all set, you'll start seeing line graphs here of how many website visitors have come to your site and some more information around here. So even if you're not planning on doing Facebook advertising right now, but you are in the future, I do recommend putting the pixel on the site. Doesn't cost you anything to use a Facebook pixel. Facebook doesn't charge you. But when you are ready, at least we already have an audience ticking away in the background that we can advertise to. So that's the benefit of putting it on your site now instead of while you're not ready, instead of putting it later. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, I hope I didn't get too technical. Feel free to send me an email or give me a call. Thanks.